So in this lesson, we are going to interpret and model division this time involving fractions. So example number 1, it reads 8 divided by 2. Now, when you see these, I want you asking yourself, like, what is it asking? Or like, yeah, I guess asking yourself, what is it asking? What is it asking? What is it asking? 8 divided by 2. The question it's asking is, if you break 8 into 2 groups, then how much would be in each group? 12 divided by 4. If you break 12 into 4 groups, then how much would be in each group? Finally, 15 divided by 3. That means, well, the question being asked is really, if you break 15 into 3 groups, then how much would be in each group? We know that if you break 8 into 2 groups, then, well, 8 into 2 groups, then 4 would be in each group. 4 would be in each group. We know that if we split 12 into 4 groups, then 3 would be in each group. We know that if we took 15 and we split it into 3 groups, then 5 would be in each group. This is how I think most people remember or think about division. But there's another way you could think about it. So 8 divided by 2. Another question you could ask yourself is, how many times does 2 fit into 8? How many times does 12 divided by 4 is, how many times does 4 fit into 12? 15 divided by 3. How many times does 3, let me back up. How many times does 3 fit into 15? So how many times does 2 fit into 8? 2 fits into 8 4 times. 4 times. 12 divided by 4. How many times does 4 fit into 12? 4 fits into 12 3 times. So 12 divided by 4 is 3. How many times does 3 fit into 15? 3 fits into 15 5 times. So 15 divided by 3 is 5. All right, let's go to the next page. All right, it's important that we think about this fitting. This fitting, like, question and answer is going to help us think about fractions. So 3 divided by 2/4. That means I want to know the number of times 2/4 fits into 3. How many times does 2/4 fit into 3? So I'm going to start off with the 3. 1 hole, 2 hole, 3 holes. 3 holes. Okay, 1 hole, this is my second hole, this is my 3 holes. I'm going to split each hole. Remember, I'm trying to see how many times 2/4 go into 3. So I'm going to split each hole into 4 groups. Into 4 pieces. Into 4 pieces. Into fourths. All right, so I'm trying to see how many times 2/4 can fit into 3. So I'm going to split these fourths into groups of 2/4. 2/4. So this is 2/4, 2/4, 2/4, 2/4, 2/4, 2/4. So I'm going to create groups of 2/4. Now, how many of these groups of 2/4 fit into 3 holes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2/4 fits into 3 6 times. 2/4 fits into 3 6 times. 3 holes, 6 times. Try it again. 2 divided by 4 is 6. So I want to know how many times 4/6 fits into 2. How many times 4, 6 fits into 2 holes? Fits into 2 holes. So I'm going to draw my 2 holes. I'm going to start with my 2 holes. I want to know how many times 4, 6 go into 2 holes, so I need to split them up into sixths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You see how I split it into sixths? I want to know how many times 4, 6 go into 2. 4, 6 go into 2. So I want to split them up into groups of 4, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4 sixths. Then I create groups of 4, 6. And then I want to see how many times 4, 6 fits into 2. So 1, 2, 3 times. So 4, 6 fits into 2 holes 3 times. 4, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4 fits into 2 holes 1, 2, 3 times. All right, next page. So let's go ahead and try this. So I want to know how many 2 fourths fit into 3. How many times 2 fourths fits into 3 holes? So I'm going to start off with 3 holes. So 1, 2, 3 holes. Okay, so I'm trying to fit into fourths. I'm going to try to see how many times 2 fourths fits into 3 holes. So I need to create fourths. So fourths. I can just copy that one. Okay, so I have my 3 holes and I created my fourths. Now I need to create groups. Of 2 fourths. So here's a group of 2 fourths. 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 Oops, here's a group of 2 fourths. And here's a group of 2 fourths. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 groups of 2 fourths. 6 groups of 2 fourths. So 2 fourths fits inside of 3 holes 6 times. Let's do that again. 2 divided by 4 sixths. 2 divided by 4 6. So we want to see how many times 4, 6 fits into 2 holes. How many times 4, 6 fits inside of 2 holes? So I'm going to start off with 2 holes. Then, if I'm trying to figure out how many 6 go into 2 holes, then I need to create sixths. So that's 3 on that side, 3 on this side. 3 on that side, 3 on that side. So I created sixths. Remember, I need to figure out how many times 4 of these 6 goes into 2 holes. So I need to create groups. Of 4 sixths. So I'm just gonna do it. It doesn't matter how you do it. I'm gonna do it like this: 4, 6. So 1 group of 4, 6, 2 groups of 4, 6, and 3 groups of 4, 6. 1 group of 4, 6, 2 groups of 4, 6, 3 groups of 4, 6. So 4, 6 fits inside of 2 holes 3 times. That's all there is to the diagram. Let's go ahead and try the procedure, because there has to be like a faster way, because you don't want to do this every time, right? So procedural methods. was planning on showing you two, but I might just show you one. We will see. We will see. So 3 divided by 2/4. So if you can tell, we have 3 wholes. And so 3 divided by 2/4. We have 3 holes. We're trying to fit in 2/4. We're trying to fit in 2/4, 3 holes. I think I'll just show you the conventional way, the way that most people will show you. So we're going to flip this fraction, and we're going to change this to multiplication. So we're going to change this to multiplication, and we're going to flip this fraction. So keep, going to change, we're going to flip. Keep, change, flip. All right, we kept it, we changed it, we flipped it. Now we're going to multiply like we usually do across. Well, I'm going to actually do this. We're going to multiply across. And we get 12 over 2, which simplifies to 6. And 6 was our answer. 6 is our answer. The reason why this works is because we had 3 holes, and then we multiplied each of those by 4, and that would give us 12/4, and then we split the fourths into groups of 2. So 3 holes times 4 gives us 12, divided by 2 gives us 6. Try it again. So 2 divided by 4 is 6. 2 divided by 4 is 6. Remember, we're going to change it, we're going to flip this one. We're going to keep this, change it, flip this. So 2 times 6 fourths, but remember we need 2 wholes. 2 times 6 is 12. 1 times 4 is, let me write that a little nicer. 2 times 6 is 12. And 1 times 4 is 4. 12 divided by 4 is 3. Once again, we got 3 here, we get 3. Now let me explain again how we got this. So we had 2 holes. 2 holes would be 12 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 2 times 6. And then we wanted to divide them into groups of 4. So that would give us 12 6 in groups of 4. 12 divided by 4 means that there are 3 groups. Thank you.